Greetings everybody, Thor at the ATV Superstore here. I want to share with you our exciting new head unit that we're going to be offering here at the shop. The unit will include the head unit, the factory bezel. It'll come with a reverse camera, FM antenna since this has an FM radio, and it will also come with a microphone for hands-free calling. The unit offers features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Again, it comes with an FM radio. You can control pretty much everything that's on your phone on this unit. It even has an equalizer, so you can adjust the sound based on your pleasure of music. It even has a turn knob, which is nice. I like that. I'm old school. Again, to install this, it does take some time. You have to remove the center dash. That pulls right out. You'll have to remove the rubber storage sleeve. You'll have to cut quite a bit of the inside out. You will screw from the inside out. Put everything back together, wire it up. The bus is right there, and you also will need a 12-volt full-time to keep the memory feature. I will not include all the wiring. I will not include the speakers. You can do 2 speakers or 4. This one here right now I'm running 2. I will have 2 more next week. It is a very nice unit. It is not waterproof. It is a car sound system. But if you're looking for something that looks OEM, that works better than OEM, you can give me a call at 815-321-3888 or send me an email to theatvsuperstore@gmail.com. This is Thor with the ATV Superstore. Hope you enjoy this video, and we'll see you on the next one.